Loko swi ta eka swihehlo swa masangu ehenhla ka holobye wa timali Enoch Godongwana, SACP yi ri a fanele ku va a byeriwe kusuka exitulwini.
Well, we take this matter very seriously. We are glad that he has responded by saying that he will be cooperating with the investigation, but quite certainly it's a matter that is concerning to us. We really believe that under the circumstances, particularly for a serious matter of this nature, the president should have asked him to step aside and not necessarily wait for the charges to be taken in this case, given the nature of the allegations.
Maphephe ya swihehlo leswi ma yisiwe eka huvo ya vuchuchisi kambe a yi sivula nchumu mayelana na xiboho xa yona. Hofisi ya president yi te goza rihi kumbe rihi leri president a nga ri tekelaka Godongwana ri ta ya hi endlelo ra nawu. Soli Mapayila a vulavula hi nkarhi wo kunguhata mayelana na nhlengeletano ya vu-15 ya SACP.
Obviously, this is our first plenary session of the Central Committee. We'll be releasing our resolution assessing Congress itself, how it went, what needs to be done in setting up structures of the Central Committee, the Politburo, other committees, and distributing deployments of Central Committee members to various provinces and to other task commissions. All of that will be set up over this weekend.
SACP yi languteriwe ku va na nhlengeletano ni vateki va mahungu mayelana ni hilaha ku nga kunguhatiwa hakona hi Sonto.